Hey everyone, today we're going to learn how to create a discount in the dashboard CMS. Let's get started. So, starting on the dashboard, the first thing we'll do is we'll click the store icon. We're going to hover over Store and select Discounts. Once here, we'll click Create. Now, you'll need a few things when creating a discount. The first thing is naming your discount, adding a promo code, selecting the discount type, the price off, the minimum subtotal, the discount level, the product the discount is for, and the start and end date of your discount. Just make sure your discount is enabled, then click Save. And just like that, you've learned how to create a discount. Thanks everyone.